Think you need a fancy gym to build serious muscle? Think again. You can get stronger, leaner, and more defined using just your body weight and a little space at home. Here's how to build muscle without ever stepping into a gym. Step 1. Focus on bodyweight resistance. Muscle grows from resistance, not machines. Exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, lunges, dips, and planks are incredibly effective. They activate multiple muscle groups and build real strength. Start with basic movements and increase difficulty over time. Step 2. Train with progressive overload. This is the secret to growth. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the challenge by adding reps, sets, time, or difficulty. For example, can't do push-ups on the floor? Start on your knees. Too easy? Try decline push-ups or slower reps. Keep pushing your limit, just like you would with heavier weights in the gym. Step 3. Use affordable gear at home. You don't need much. Resistance bands, a pull-up bar, or a set of dumbbells, if you can afford them, go a long way. Even heavy backpacks or water jugs can be used as makeshift weights. No gear? No problem, your body is the equipment. Step 4. Train consistently with a plan. Muscle is built over time, not overnight. Aim for at least 3 to 4 strength sessions per week. Split your workouts by muscle group, or do full body circuits. Example routine: Monday, push, chest, shoulders, triceps. Wednesday, pull, back, biceps. Friday, legs and core. Weekend, active rest or bonus round. Keep workouts short but intense, 30 to 45 minutes is plenty. Step 5. Fuel your body with protein and rest. You don't grow during the workout, you grow during recovery. Eat high-protein meals every day to support muscle repair and growth. Aim for foods like eggs, chicken, lentils, yogurt, or tofu. And don't skip sleep, 7 to 9 hours a night is essential for recovery. Bonus tip: track your progress. Take weekly photos, track your reps, and write down your workouts. Progress might be slow at first, but it adds up fast when you stay consistent. You don't need a gym membership to transform your body. You just need a plan, some effort, and a bit of creativity. You can build strength, size, and confidence right where you are. That's how you build muscle without a gym. Like, subscribe, and let's get stronger together.